privilege for all of us to welcome our chief guest for give a huge round of applause for their chief guest. Put your hands together for our chief guest. Dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. It is not just a school function, it is a
Thank you everyone for accepting our invitation and gracing this ceremony with your presence. Your word will no doubt leaving a lasting impression on these young individuals. The English Teacher Ceremony. The English Teacher Ceremony is a tradition that holds a deep meaning. It symbolizes the trust that places in its student through a democratic process of selection or observation. These students has emerged as individuals who reflect strength in character, clarity in thought, and sincerity in action. But with a great honors comes with a great responsibility. Put your hands together for our chief guest. Put your hands together. Self-occurrence inspired those around her. For the post of ASPL, I would like to call Aradhya of grade 12 Commerce. She possesses a strong sense of determination and resilience. For the post of president, I would like to call Manasri from grade 9. She faced challenges with courage and grace, inspiring others with passion and dedication. For the post of secretary, I would my differences with smart and skilled mind. A leader of vision and action. For the post of cultural captain, I would like to call Abhay Gaur of class 12 science. He is kind, his determinations and preservation inspire others, those around her. I would like to call for the post of cultural vice captain. I would like to call Snowa Chauhan from grade 11 science. She is a natural leader, guiding others with her vision and passion. For the post of sport captain, I would like. His creativity and innovative thinking make him problem solver. Commerce. Leadership with great work ethics and strength. His empathy and understanding make him a good listener. Put your hands together for our leader. His kindness and generosity make him a beloved friend and companion. For the post of greenhouse. For the post of greenhouse vice captain, I would like to call She is a natural leader, guiding others with her vision and passion. Orange House Vice Captain, I would like to call Afikyan. Give a huge round of applause for Vice Captain. Science. Give a huge round of applause for our Orange House Captain. I would like to call Ayushi from grade 9. Huge round of applause for manager sir's wife. For our leaders. Stop clapping. Let's give a big round of applause for our cabinet members.
Swear that I will faithfully and honestly discharge my duties as a member of school parliamentary members. I pledge to uphold the values of integrity, responsibility and service. I promise to represent my fellow students with fairness and respect, to listen to their voices and to work for the betterment of our school community. And set the good example in the conduct and character. With dedication and sincerity, I accept this responsibility and vow to serve to the best of my ability. Jai Hind.
आवाज नहीं आ रही बच्चों की? यहाँ पे सब शांत से बैठे हैं ना? ये जोश होना जरूरी है. Okay. So today is a proud and important day to, in our school calendar. That is the academic investiture ceremony that we are having over here. The word investiture means to invest someone with authority and responsibility. When we pin a badge on you today, it's not just the decoration. Clear all of you, all the students? Yes. So it is a commitment. And what kind of commitment is that? A commitment to serve, to guide, and to inspire others. The question comes, how to inspire the others? Yes, any answers from you? How do you going to inspire the people? Any students there? Yes? Be an ideal person. That's a wonderful answer. Be an ideal person to the people here. Okay. Yeah, Tanishi is always forward for answering the things. Anyways, so let me share an example before I go forward. In 2019, a 17-year-old student from Mumbai, her name is Apeksha Khare. She noticed in the school that the other fellow students were not able to understand the maths. They were not able to do it. And what she did, she forgot about her studies and she started teaching those students. She took special time. She took special sessions to the students after the school with the permission of the authority. Okay, it's always good. The students must take the initiative. She did not wait for any kind of appreciation, neither for any kind of badge. Okay, or she did not wait for the principal to come and appreciate her. No, she saw the need and she did her justice. It was a miraculous success that year. All the students from that class and got the highest marks and cleared the board examination. So as academic leaders, your role is also similar. You will need to show integrity in your work, discipline in your habits, and kindness in your interaction. People will look up to you, and not for your badge, not for your position. It's always for your behavior. How you behave, how you make the people feel, that is very much important. Having a power is not a power. Being kind, having the power and being kind is one of the best things. And I can tell you, so I see our manager sir is such a wonderful and humble person and really is the role model of our school over here. And under him we are here, so we have to go according to that. So my message to all of you being invested here today, lead by example. Be the example to other fellow students. You have to take the initiative. You have to step forward. Okay? Because the action speaks louder than the words. Yes. The second point I would like to tell you is that serve before you command. This is what I believe. Before I command, I believe that I am into the job. I am into the work. If I am not into it, okay, प्रिंसिपल साहब है इसी रूम में बैठे रहेंगे और दूसरे लोगों से कहेंगे कि भैया काम कर लो, पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा, काम नहीं हो पाएगा, हमें खुद उस काम में हाथ डालना पड़ता है. सही है? तो दिस इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. बीइंग द लीडर, आपको पहले आगे बढ़ना है, कोई भी काम हो. एसपीएल, एएसपीएल या जो लीडर्स यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, प्लीज डोंट से कि मैं एएसपीएल हूँ, मैं एसपीएल हूँ या मैं लीडर हूँ, कैप्टन हूँ, आप लोग जाके काम कर लीजिए. नहीं, आप लोग पहले शुरुआत करिए और आपके साथ साथ बाकी जो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर है, आपके जो फेलो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो भी आपको फॉलो करेंगे. The third point is that stay humble. Do not expect for respect. The respect will come to you. अच्छा करते रहिए और आपको जो रिस्पेक्ट मिलना चाहिए वो आपको ढूंढते हुए आ जाएगा. You have been chosen because we believe in your ability that you can make the difference. Now it's up to you to live up to that expectation that we have in you. I congratulate each and every one of you and wishing you a journey filled with responsibility, learning and pride. May you lead with courage, guide with wisdom and inspire with your actions. Before I wind up, I would like to thank all the people who have taken part in preparing this stage as well as this program. Special thanks to Election Commissioner Neeti ma'am and other coordinator Deepthi ma'am, Priyanka ma'am. Our Vice Principal here who guided everyone. Manish sir, one who has decorated this beautiful stage. Dheeraj sir, Kuldeep sir, who are always a constant help to me, I can say, from the day I have come. So whatever I say, they are always ready. Sawan sir is here. मेरे से ज़्यादा डांट खाते हैं, फिर भी अच्छा काम करते हैं. Varun sir is here. Is giving his duty as a photographer and the videographer here. And the special students sitting here. Yeah, to you all. मेरे बगल में दो खड़े हैं, सोच रहे होंगे हमारा नाम कब आएगा. Okay, and they have done well, really well. They have led this entire program very well, and all those teachers who are here standing and giving your duties, managing the classes over here, as well as all of you, all the students. And I'm not going to forget Anurag sir, Arun sir, and Amit sir. Okay, those who are constantly a help here, and especially the parents, those who are here. आप लोगों ने मेरा इनविटेशन को रिस्पेक्ट दिया और आप यहाँ पर हैं, मौजूद है. आपके बच्चों को भी अच्छा लगा और हमें भी अच्छा लगा. मैनेजर मैम ने भी टाइम निकाला. मैनेजर सर तो आज बीमार है, फिर भी मैनेजर मैम यहाँ पे पहुंच गए. ठीक है, सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू एंड बेस्ट विशेस टू आवर न्यू लीडर्स. Cheers.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Everyone put your hands together. A heartfelt thanks to our respected teachers for shaping our future. To all the support staff of Wisdom family, your efforts behind the scenes never go unnoticed. To all the parents for coming here, thank you for coming here. To all the council members, thank you for standing in the elections and congratulations for your success. To all the students, thank you for choosing us and showing faith in us. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.